About to try the Derpy McFlurry with my bestie over here. Say hi, bestie. Aren't you my bestie though? Ooh, so excited about my Demon Huntress meal. And my daughter already got into hers. And the sauces too. I'll let you know how it is. Hey guys, so I already had my Hunter X meal. And here's the real review on the sauces. Hunter sauce, 10 out of 10. You remember the sweet chili for all of those OG McDonald's fans? This is it. Now this one wasn't my cup of tea, but it did have a little bit of spice, but no, we give that a 2 out of 10. And my toy. Okay. Oh, you guys. I'm so excited to try it. Thank you, baby. I'm so excited. Let's dig in. Okay. Yeah, obviously it's like a boba. It's a blueberry boba. I wish it was juicier. It does pop in your mouth. But I wish it was juicier. But I give it an A for effort. Okay, we're about to try the Derpy McFlurry. It has boba. Popping blueberry boba. Alright, let's dig in. Let's take a big old mouthful.
Look.
This is really good. It's refreshing. I think my baby would enjoy one boba.
You ate it.
I know.
You're not describing it.
Babe, I'm digging in. So as regular white ice cream, all they add on there is the blueberry boba, which makes it light and delicious. 8.5 out of 10.